Hey, what's up, YouTube? Hope you guys are doing well. So let's get started. We're gonna be making an E flat with D sharp major. Now, you see, then all the notes are highlighted. It's not gonna let you go off the scale, no matter how hard you try. It's just not gonna let you go off the scales. So I find it really easy. So it automatically changes the chords for you. Like you can see right here, if I went down, it made it C minor automatically. Then it into A sharp major. So yeah, it goes on, like it won't let you go off. Right. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this middle note an octave up, control up. You see how it moving the chord up, middle note up an octave already adds so much emotion to the beat. Now we're gonna make something off of this. Ooh, I like this. So this is the guitar that we have so far. Nice. Now we're gonna turn on this. This is just a preset that I downloaded from Splice. Vintage Chorus, I think they are really cool plugin again from my first studio. As you can see, the pad that we added already was adding a little bit of space to the beat, and now after adding the Vintage Chorus, the space has been enhanced quite a bit. Without it, with it, yeah, we are gonna add a kickstart kind of thing to it, sidechain basically. This is gonna be really cool when we add the kick and the drums. These are my own drums for my own beats. All the name of the beats and the drums that I use for the beat, I just save. Once you've made a certain amount of beats that you know that do really well, sell really well, so you just have instant access to all the drums, right? It can go anywhere from being really happy to being really dark. Vocal chops in as quick as possible. You can see this vocal fits in really well. As you can hear, the beat already sounds quite full. Now I'm gonna add sub bass. Basically, you can use any plugin for it. I like Substance. Any oscillator will give you the same thing. Even 3x oscillator, you can do it. So I'm just gonna go to this shaper box plugin now. Say that I want the same effect on the bass. I will just click on the plugin, click on this arrow, save preset as, and I'm not gonna click it. I'm gonna drag it. I'm gonna drag it exactly and drop it on the bass. Now you can see that the bass already has the same effect already applied to it, same settings, everything, and it's already on the bass. Nice. I'm gonna make modifications. I really like this about the plugin, that you can really go in and make your own curve with the sidechain effect basically. Yeah. Now we're gonna click on 1/4. We're gonna click Shift D, so it already makes the every note of this bar length. Yeah. Now I know that this snap has a reverb built into it. You can listen to it. Now sometimes I don't like that. Sometimes I like to keep my drums short to keep them sound really punchy and tight. So we're gonna take the reverb away with this out knob. What does is shortens the length of the sample. Like notice right here, you see it has diminished to a non-audible volume basically. Yeah. Now I know all the producers listening to this already have the kick pattern in their mind, like they know what's gonna happen next. So basically what I'm gonna do is right click, drag it through. So I don't like the high end on this kick. I always take it out. Now we extended step sequence far ahead. Just made it like 16 steps, 16 bar basically. And we added an extra pattern for the kick so it don't sound really boring throughout the beat when we run it through for 3 minutes straight. Now we're gonna go to splice and find some percussion loops. I'm gonna use this one right here. I'm gonna filter it. This one I'm gonna be using vintage chorus again, just to give it a bit of the width. Now there's also one interesting plugin that I wanted to show you. It is free as well. It's called Pancake. Time right here. I'm gonna be using 1/2, I think. 1/4 sounds really good. Right here. Where's the stereo enhancer? I always use this plugin. Right click 4 strings, set it on left or right, doesn't matter. That extra bit of width. Now I wouldn't be cutting off the guitar low end if it wasn't for the sub bass. It was an guitar only type beat, or the guitar was the prime or main instrument of the beat, which was playing throughout without any low frequencies interfering with it. And you can go a little overboard with the vocals because the vocals are already filtered, so the low frequencies in the vocal are not really audible anyway. It's just gonna interfere with the sub bass, so to get a cleaner mix in the end. Now just listen to the difference. Now we're also gonna play with the input because the input gain really matters a lot when it comes to guitars. If I pull it all the way up to its default setting, it's gonna sound a lot more aggressive. And this sounds a little decent for this beat. I'm gonna use Soothe for now. Now what we can do is we can make it a little more realistic sounding. So I'm gonna press Shift M, randomly select any note from the piano roll. We're gonna do the velocity trick and see if it sounds good. You can see I'm gonna press Shift M again, select random different notes.